Vậy it's not again after historical snowstorm. They did very good. They cleaned it very good. It's still though. See? 啊，又嚟啦！清潔員 ，hello，just to say hi。地下就係咁濕滑啦。早上 ，Good morning, Wall Street. Today we will have snow. Possibly because they put 外擺咗雪完啦。So that's why later, if it is more, they will all wait again. Wall Street now they have a big renovation of this building for years. Big project. So it's upgrade. It's not too fancy. Except New York Exchange place. I don't know the street right now because they cover everything literally. 對面就係好多人，啲辛勤工作嘅人。哇！呢啲好靚嘅 building， 好靚，好貴啊！呢張身份嘅象徵啊，住喺呢度海街。Financial District 前面就係好著名嘅 church 啦。係咯，睇唔到啦。呢個就係個 club 啦，個 Greenway。佢係跟住 morning 佢哋仲有個 truck。跟住買報紙，跟住喺度買 latte 啊，喺度買餸。